Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about reasoning, that is coding and decoding. In many competitive exams, there are many questions asked from coding and decoding. In RRB, at least 4 to 5 questions are asked from coding and decoding. Let's start. If in certain language m equal to 13 and mat equal to 34, then how wax is coded in that language? Here m is 13th letter. We know the alphabets and their numbering. Here m is 13th letter, so m equal to 13, and they are given mat word which is equal to 34. How it is written means, here m is 13th letter and a is first letter and t is 20th letter. We are adding these numbers, we get 34. Like that only we write the numbering to the wax word. Here W is a 23rd letter and A is first letter and X is 24th letter. We are adding these numbers, we get 48. So wax is coded as 48. It's a option 2. Next question. Select the related word from the given alternate. Here, road is coded as URDZ, like that. Lane is coded as. Here, road is coded as URDZ. How it is related means, R is coded to U. Here, R is 18th letter. We are adding 3 to that number. We get 21st. So 21st letter is U, and O is 15th letter. We add 3 to 15th. 15 plus 3 is 18, that is 18th letter is R. Here A is first letter, we are adding 3, that is 4th letter, that is D, and D is 4th letter, we are adding 2, then we get 7th letter, that is G. Like that we write the coding for the lane word. Here L is 12th letter, we are adding 3, it is 15. 15th letter is O, and A is first letter, we are adding 3, then 4th letter is D, and N is 14th letter, we are adding 3, then 17th letter is Q, then E is 5th letter, we are adding 3, that is 8, 8th letter is H. So LAN is coded as ODQH. It's a first option. Then third one, select the related word from the given alternate. Here RIGT is coded as WDBY, then FUSY is coded as. Here R is a 18th letter and W is 23rd letter. We are adding 5 to this 18th letter, we get 23rd letter, that is W, and I is 9th letter and D is 4th letter. So we subtract minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, that is 4th letter is D. Here G is 7th letter and B is 2nd letter. 7 minus 5 is 2, 2nd letter is B. T is 20th letter and Y is 25th letter. So we are adding plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25th letter is Y. Like that we write for the FUSY. Here F is 6th letter and we add 5. 11th letter is K. Then U is 21st letter. 21 minus 5 is 16. 16th letter is P, and S is 19th letter. 9 minus 5 is 19 minus 5 is 14. 14th letter is N, and Y is 25th letter. 25 plus 5 30. We are in alphabets, only 26 number is there. So 27th letter is A. Then we are giving number to, this is 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30th letter is D. So here D. So FUSY is coded as KPND. It's the first option. Then fourth one, minister word is coded as RETSINIM. How it is written means, left to right. Like that only we write for the president. From left to right we write for the president word. We get TNEDISCRP. It is a second option. Then fifth one. If drag is coded as 36 and gap is coded as 30, then how will duck can be coded as? Here a drag is coded as 36. How it is written means D is fourth letter, so 4, R is 18th letter, 18, A is first letter, 1, G is seventh letter. We are adding these numbers, we get 30. We are adding to this 36. We are adding 6 to this 30, we get 36. Then for the gap word, G is seventh letter, A is first letter and P is 16th letter. We are adding these numbers, we get 24. Here also we are adding 6. 24 plus 6 equal to 30. For the duck word, we write the coding. D is fourth letter and U is 21st letter, C is third letter and K is 11th word. We are adding these numbers, we get 39. We are adding plus 6. 39 plus 6 is equal to 45. So the option is 3. Then sixth question. In a certain code language, brown is written as RBONW. How is black written in that code language? Here, brown is coded as RBONW. In first B, consider B and R. These are interchanges their place. BR is interchange with RB. O is as it is. Then WN interchanges, they become NW. Brown is coded like this. Same to the word black. In black word, B and L interchanges, then BL becomes LB. A is as it is. C and K interchanges, this becomes KC. So LBAKC is coded as, black is coded at LBAKC. So the option is third. Next, seventh question. Absolute is coded as ESBLOTUA. Then calendar is coded as, here A is first letter. So it is, how it is coded means A is first letter. A is comes in last letter in the word. Here A is comes to the last letter and here E is last letter and E comes to the first letter. Then B and S interchanges their place. Then S comes in second letter, B comes in third place. So O and L also interchanges their place. OL becomes LO. U and T also interchanges their place. UT becomes TU. Like that we write for the calendar word. First C comes to the last place and R comes to the first place. A and L interchanges their place. AL becomes LA and EN interchanges their place. EN becomes NE and DE interchanges their place. DE becomes E and D. So the option is second. Next, eighth one. Select the related letters from the given alternatives. PAL is coded as RDP. Then MRF is coded as, here P is 16th letter and R is 18th letter. So we are adding 2 to the 16th letter, we get 18th letter. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Here A is first letter and D is fourth letter. 1 plus 3 is 4. L is 12th letter and P is 16th letter. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So we are adding 2, 3, 4. Like that we get the codings. Like that only we written for the MRF word. Here M is 13th letter. We are adding 2. That is 13 plus 2, 15. 15th letter is O. And R is 18th letter. We are adding 3. 21st letter is U. Then F is 6th letter. We are adding 4. 10th letter. Then 10th letter is J. So the option is 3. Then if state is coded as 70, then which word will be coded as 104? Try this one and comment the answer below.